But you better be right. Don't overstep your boundaries. Where is that stupid son? Why did it take you so long to open the gate?
Madam, sorry.
Are you mad?
Sorry,
is
madam.
something wrong with you?
Sorry, madam.
You're very stupid.
He seems stupid, really.
You're welcome. I feel wash your cow.
Go wash yourself in the bathroom and be useful to your gate.
Serves you right, idiot. Sweetie, please let's go. Don't mind him. Where is Mike and the water? Mike! Wait. Hope the glass is clean.
Yes, very clean, ma'am.
You washed it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You can go ahead.
So what's keeping the food?
Ma, it's almost ready. I'll bring it right away.
Alright.
Sorry for the delay, ma.
No problem. Okay, you're welcome to our house. Mom, I'll be joining Mike in the kitchen to make it fun.
Excuse me. That guy is so lazy. Oh my God.
Sandra, why would you concentrate more on our guests? Please.
It's okay, mommy.
Mike, hurry, please.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for my sister's actions towards you.
No, it's fine. I mean, I'm used to it by now. Do you want anything?
No, just checking up on you.
That's nice. Thank you so much. See, I want to thank you for everything. Thank you for your care and how you've been supporting me all this while. I really appreciate it. God will bless you. Yes, so I'll just get back to what I was doing now. Thank you very much for having me.
It's okay, baby.
Tell me more about the milk cook. I don't seem to like him.
As if you read my mind. I don't like him either.
But your sister seems to like him beyond.
No way. She just feels sorry for his miserable life.
Oh, I understand. And hope you won't say no to me when I go down on my one knee.
Oh yeah? You're so silly.
I have to take my leave now.
Alright, baby. Where is that fool? My friend, open the gate. Idiot.
Cynthia, what have you done? You shouldn't have.
Look at her. I wonder if this girl is really my sister. Like... Cynthia. Cynthia!
Oh. Sandra, did you call me?
No, I did not call you. I called myself and the entire Mike's family. Cynthia, what is wrong with you? What are you doing with that boy?
Sorry, who?
You asking me who?
Mike. Me. Nothing, no.
Nothing, no. The next thing, boom. You don't miss period. He is a nobody. Did you hear what I said? He's a nobody.
Busybody. Excuse me.
Hey! At times I wonder if this girl is really my sister. Are you kidding me? Hey!
Hello, Chief. I'm done for the day. We might be having a problem. Yes, Chief. There is a boy in that house that wants what we also want. And it's going to be a very difficult situation. Yes, Chief.
Yeah, I have to hasten up with the marriage preparations to make everything smooth. Yes, boss. All good. All good, boss.
Thank God it has gotten to the stage of proposing to her. I just pray she accepts my proposal. And once she accepts, we have money. Oh my God.
What could be keeping Mike?
Let me go and check on him.
Please.
Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Mommy, you proposed. Mommy, I'm
really?
so happy I'm getting married.
Wow.
Finally.
Let me see. Wow, so beautiful.
I'm so happy for you. Thank you, sweetie. I wish Mike would propose to me.
Mike? Sandra.
Yes, mommy.
Now that you decided to marry Chris, are you sure he's going to make a good husband?
I'm sure. I love him and he loves me too. Yeah.
Okay. I want to ask you for one favor. Let your sister make her own good choice, please. That boy may like her, but he's scared of what you might do to him.
Yes.
Please.
On one condition.
Which is?
That she will allow me marry first.
Oh,
that's not going to be a problem.
Oh.
Yes, thank you. Stubborn girl.
Why are we having only 2 glasses of drink? Go get one for her, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Fine girl.
I'm happy to represent my dear friend on a day like this, that this young man is here to inquire what it will take to have Sandra as his wife.
Bros, madam come.
Sam?
Madam.
What are you here?
Madam, you get one song where I do, where I want you to support this wedding ceremony.
Oh no, not now. Go back to your duty post.
It's okay, my dear. If you have a song to support this gathering, let him play it. Let's enjoy it.
Thank you, sir. Make una enjoy your well. They're very sweet and you will like them very well.
Johnson thinks he's smart, but I trained him in this game. Moreover, I know the doors and the thieves of this game more than you do. What is this?
What is going on here?
Uncle Benson.
With different interests. Another killed him. I'm going after his wealth stashed at this bank.
Boss, you know, you didn't tell me how you're gonna achieve the plans of taking the huge sum he saved with this bank. How's it gonna be possible?
Sam! Sam!
Listen to me.
Sam!
I started this plan long before now.
Let's get
I advised him to write a will, telling the bank that after his demise, they should.
Sam?
Madam.
I am Detective Ike. Detective Samuel Ikem. You have done a good job.
Thank you.
Now, Chief Benson and Gideon, you are under arrest for conspiracy and attempted fraud. Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
That is preposterous.
Shut up, Mr. Ma.
Sam, what is going on here?
Well, madam, I'm Detective Samuel Dikeh. I am investigating this man.
I planted a camera in your car when I beg you to wash it, and all your aunties appear on the car.
Before you go come out, your car will make sense and you go like her. I believe someone will explain better. You can come in, sir.
Well done, well done, well done. Chief Benson.
Honey?
Johnson?
You thought you are smarter than I. Yes. But you forgot I won you in the game of chess. You equally forgot the advice you gave me. I am going to teach you what you never knew about chess.
Well, I don't know about that, but we are dead. Give me your hand, let me see. Bring your hand, let's see. Johnson.
Mm-hmm.
The way you are moving. Well,
it's
let's go ahead.
expert move. Checkmate. I told you, I pulled one's leg for him to respond.
How did you do that?
Don't you see it? It is all over.
Johnson, you are good at this game.
Yes.
But what baffles me is sometimes you don't take good life decisions.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Don't get me wrong. Johnson, you have made money. You have a lot of cash stashed at this bank. What is it in there? You had no son to manage that money for you. I don't know what your plans are.
So, what do you suppose I do?
If I may advise, make a will that any young man that married either of your daughters should manage the money for the family. Let him make it for the family. Yes. And you should keep it a secret so that the girl should not become desperate about it. I don't know. That is my opinion anyway.
Chief Benson, the crafty man. Well, we all have now seen that this world is just like the game of chess. I am really very sorry for the trauma my family passed through. I wept bitterly when I watched my daughter, Sandra, treat Mike like a piece of trash. A piece of trash. But my joy was awakened when I realized that he will soon become my son-in-law. And I will announce him the human resource manager of my company, effective from tomorrow.
Thank you.
Johnson.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Chief Benson and Edo. Go ahead, outside.
Don't move! Take him out without delay. Take them.
Hey, take it. Move.